Let me share the screen first. Okay. Last time we did all that correlation. For probability and all we finished. Okay. So now we are going into correlation analysis this time. Okay. All of this week we will do correlation analysis. We'll try to finish. Let us see. All of next week we'll do regression analysis. Now. Otherwise, we'll have to take another 2 sessions from the third week of September. I mean, the last week of September.
Okay.
So Thursday we won't have class. That class, if we can finish it on Saturday, it will be nice.
Yeah. Saturday we can't do, uncle. Saturday I have commerce exam.
Okay, Saturday that also we can't do in the morning. So evening 5 to 6 only we are going to do one class.
Yeah, uncle.
Okay, that means Monday morning.
Monday morning will be free. Yeah.
9 to 10 or 10 to 11.
9 to 10, uncle.
9 to 10. Okay, Monday morning 9 to 10.
9:30 to 10.
Next classes. Okay. And within those 2 classes, we'll try to finish.
Yeah, uncle. Can we keep it 9:30 to 10:30?
Okay, 9:30 to 10:30 Monday morning.
Yeah, sure.
5 to 6 same time Saturday evening. Okay. Okay. Now we have to do correlation analysis. Only when you are starting this, you are becoming a good researcher. All this thing, when you do PhD, you will thank God. Oh, thank God I learned business maths, all these things. Because when I was in school, I didn't learn all these things. Okay. So it became very tough to do the research when I was doing my MTH. Anyway, I did qualitative analysis. When you do quantitative analysis, this is very important. Very, very important. So here we have to study the concept of Pearson's correlation coefficient, which is the most common used. Okay. And how to compute it, we'll find all the formulas for computing it. Then we will see Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. That is more a qualitative factor. Okay, rank correlation is more qualitative. It is not quantitative. That means, for example, in a beauty contest, okay, then Sushmita Rao, Aishwarya Rao, whoever, all of them are there. I don't know the latest Priyanka Chopra. All of them were there. So they are all now going to be ranked. How are the 3 judges going to rank? That is very important. It is not a quantitative thing. Mathematics exam, you get all the marks, and statistics exams or science exams, you take the marks. That is quantitative, comparing those 2 things. But when you are ranking, let us say 10 finalists who are all beauty queens, 10 finalists for the beauty contest, 3 judges are ranking. Okay, that is all a qualitative ranking. You understand? So in that case, you will use Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay, the formula is different. That will be equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma di squared by n into n squared minus 1. That will be a different formula. Okay, but that's only a single formula, very easy to remember. So you'll have to start ranking and then find the rank correlation. Okay, or they already give the ranks, you just have to find the difference between the ranks, which is D1, sigma D is the difference between the ranks. We'll come to that when we go to that point. Okay, then finally regression analysis, the concept of regression and the coefficients of regression. Then regression lines, both x on y and y on x, we have to find out. Okay, that we'll keep for next week after Monday class. Next Tuesday, we'll start that. No, this whole week we will do only correlation analysis.
Okay.
Now, what is this correlation analysis? See, all the time you study statistics, we were dealing with only one variable, one type of data. Either you are dealing with a set of marks or set of weights or heights or rainfalls or prices or ages and how many class ages 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that, how many people were there, frequencies of the ages. So everything, no matter how complex, including your continuous data frequency distribution, it was all about only one set of data, the same type of data. Okay, but when you are coming to correlation analysis, you are going to take 2 sets of data. Okay, x1, x2, x3, x4, and something which is not the same, another. Okay, say for example, x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xn is the weight of the individuals. Then y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 up to yn, that is another set of variables. Okay, that will be the height. Whose height? The height of the same persons who are having weight x1, x2, x3. So the fellow is having weight x1, the same fellow is having height y1. The fellow is having weight x2, same fellow is having height y2. You understand? Okay, you got the point.
Yeah, uncle. Yeah, uncle.
Okay.
Okay.
So that is another example they frequently give is the height of the father and the height of the son. Okay, height of the father series is all the fathers are x1, x2, x3, x4. Height of the sons are y1, y2, y3, y4, like that. Then amount of yield per hectare or per acre, okay, or per square meter yield, how much kg of yeast, wheat or rice that you got, and the amount of rainfall. Okay, so that is positively related. So that is also one thing. Then price and demand. What is the price of an article or a product, and what is the demand for it? Okay, price is 100 rupees. Then the demand for it is 10,000 people want to buy it. Price is 300 rupees. Then only 3,000 people want to buy it. Like that. See, price goes up, then the demand will go down. If the price goes down, okay, the car price is now 5 lakhs. Somebody says tomorrow car price is slashed to 3 lakhs. Everybody will go and buy that car. Oh, it's very, so you know all that in economics. So price goes down, demand goes up. So X1 goes down, Y1 goes up, like that. Okay, all these are two variables are correlated to each other. This association of any two variables is known as correlation. Very important. Now you understood the concept.
Yeah, uncle.
So what is correlation in statistics? Okay, this analysis which measures and analyzes the degree or extent to which two variables fluctuate with reference to each other. So one thing fluctuates, x is going up and down. How much is y also going up and down? Like that, no? In order to analyze that, you are using correlation analysis. Sometimes x will go up, y will go up. Sometimes x goes up, y goes down. Okay, so there are different types of correlation also. For example, price goes up, what will go down? Demand will go down. Okay, car price is made 6 lakhs, it's become 10 lakhs. Then a few people will buy it. So already 100 people are buying it. Then only 10 people will buy it. Like that. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of correlation? The term correlation refers to the degree of relationship between two or more variables. So two variables usually. Okay, more variables also you can do. Provided 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, like that only you have to do, no, multivariate analysis, you have to do correlation. If a change in one variable affects a change in the other variable, the variables are said to be correlated. Okay, if you change the price and the demand goes up or down, then the two variables are correlated. But if you change the color of the hair, then the weight will go up or weight will go down. If I do my hair color differently, or I'm going to wear dentist, something artificial teeth I'm wearing, my height will go up or height will go down.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen. That means they are not correlated. Okay. So correlation is classified into many types, but the most important are positive and negative correlation. Have they handled this subject in your school already?
No, uncle, they haven't.
Then you're very interesting then. Okay. You will find this very useful in life. Generally, statistics, probability, correlation, and regression analysis are very useful, and your subject in operations research, just having scheduling software that is used, okay, and it is trying to give you those sums. That's also very interesting. Chapter 10 also very interesting. 8, 9, and 10, very interesting chapters. Okay. Positive correlation, negative correlation. What is the direction of change of the variables? That's all that it goes up. See, for example, the heights and weights of individuals. If the fellow is getting taller, usually what happens? He'll go heavier or he'll go lighter?
Heavier.
So both are positive related. Height increases, weight also increases usually. Okay. Then price and supply. Okay, if the supply increases, the price also increases. But demand and supply are opposite related.
Yeah.
If the demand goes up, price will go down. Okay, but if the supply goes up, okay, price also goes up. Okay, so that is one thing. Rainfall and yield of crops. If you get good rainfall, you get a good yield of crops. So if you had more rainfall, 70 centimeter, 80 centimeter, then you had good yield of 1,000 kgs or 10,000 tons of wheat were got. But you had rainfall only 30 centimeter or only 10 centimeter rainfall. Then yield of will be not 10,000 tons. It will only be 500 tons or 600 tons. So it goes down. So rainfall goes down, crop yield goes down. Same thing with income and expenditure usually. Okay, if you have more salary, you will spend more. Okay, both go up. If you have less salary, you have to spend less. You don't have money to spend. So this positive correlation. Okay, positive correlation means both the variables x and y, they go up. When x goes up, y goes up. When x goes down, y goes down. Both will be in the same direction. Change will be in the same direction. That is what it means. It doesn't mean that both will be positive. Okay, don't get confused. It means when x goes up, y will go up. And when x goes down, y will go down. They will always oscillate in the same direction. That is what positive correlation means. Then what is negative correlation means? Actually, negative correlation means opposite. Positive correlation means same side. Negative correlation means opposite side. Like that you have to assume. Okay, otherwise you'll get confused. Positive correlation means same side correlation. Negative correlation means opposite side correlation. One goes up, the other will go down. Typical is price and demand. If you increase the price of the car from 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs, then the number of people buying will drastically go down. Okay, demand will go down. Okay, so one increases, the other decreases. Then repayment period and EMI. Okay, if you take EMI for 1 year, you have to pay 10,000 rupees per month. If you take EMI for 4 years, you have to pay only 3,000 rupees per month. Okay, so 12 months, 10,000 rupees. 48 months, only 3,000 rupees. So this goes up, that goes down. This goes down, that goes up. So opposite, they are in opposite directions. Okay, yield of crops increases, price goes down. Because what? Too many potatoes are there in the market, then you have to sell it cheap. Okay, 10,000 tons you get means then the price will be cheap. But if you got only 500 tons this season,
price will go up.
Then the price will go up. Everybody is trying to be in demand. Okay.
Okay.
Now the third possibility is no correlation. That's what we told. When the color of your hair, you dye of your hair, you change. Then weight goes up or weight goes down. Nothing will happen. Got no connection. There is no correlation. Okay. Now you can measure this. You can use a variable called R. Okay, a mathematical statistical symbol called R, which is correlation coefficient. That will measure this. When there is no correlation, the correlation coefficient will be 0. When there is a positive correlation, the correlation coefficient will be between 0 and 1. And when there is negative correlation, the correlation coefficient will be between 0 and -1. Okay?
Uncle, I didn't understand that, Uncle.
What will happen is, okay, we can go somewhat farther and then we'll come back to that.
Okay.
No correlation, just remember, there is a variable to measure the correlation coefficient. Okay. And when the value becomes 0, it means that the two variables x and y are not at all related. That's all I'm saying. You can find it out. So how much they are correlated, what direction they are correlated, how closely they are correlated, all of that we can find. Okay. That's only useful for that. Is only Pearson's coefficient of correlation is used for that. Okay. Before that, we should expect 0 correlation between the weight of a person and the color of his hair. That's what we said. Or the height of a person, color of his hair. Okay. So no. Then another thing you are talking about is simple correlation. If only two variables are being compared, then it's called simple correlation. That's all. In the case of more than two variables are being compared, then multiple correlation happens. Now, in our syllabus, no multiple correlation we are comparing, only simple correlation. Always only two sets of variables will be working with. Okay, so it's very simple. Research also, simple correlation, if you understand itself, more than enough. Following are the mathematical methods of correlation coefficient. Okay, one thing is a scatter diagram. The other thing is a more precise one. More precise one is called Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Okay, Pearson's coefficient of correlation. That's what was telling. The Pearson's coefficient of correlation is represented by R. When R equal to 0, then that means no correlation. When R is greater than 0, then means there is positive correlation. That means X is increased, Y will increase. When R is less than 1, that means R is negative. Then it is negative correlation. If X is increased, Y will decrease. If X is decreased, Y will increase. That is the way it is. Okay. Now, before going into Pearson's coefficient of correlation, let us understand what a scatter diagram is. Scatter diagram also a mathematical thing. Don't think this is fingerprint. Okay, this is not fingerprint. These T diagrams, and they are not fingerprint. What they actually are is you are plotting the values of X and Y. Okay. The set of data that is X, you are plotting along X axis. And the set of data that is Y, you are plotting along Y axis. Okay, so first data that you have taken. First data you have taken. Let us say X is here and Y is here. Second data you have taken, X is here and Y is here. Third data you have taken, X is here and Y is here. Okay. Generally, you find that something is wrong. So generally you find that, say this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. You will find this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay. So that means if X is increasing, Y is also increasing. So usually this is like that. A line, if you draw a line, then the data are scattered around this line. Okay. Now that is positive correlation. Positive correlation. X increases, Y increases. X decreases, Y decreases. Okay, that is positive correlation. This one is line is like this. Okay, so first I am taking X, very small X, X equal to 1, Y is equal to 7 or 8. Then I am taking X equal to 4, Y is reducing to 4. Then I am increasing X to let us say 8. Then Y is decreasing to 3.
2. Okay.
3 or 2 or whatever. So if X is increasing, Y is decreasing. And if X is decreasing, Y is increasing. Okay. So this is this kind of sloped line, this line. This line means negative correlation. Okay. Then this horizontal line. This means you X is 1, X is 4, X is 8, X is 10. Y never changes. Y remains 3 or 4. Y is always the same because whatever value of X you change, Y does not change. That means X and Y are not connected.
Okay.
Not connected. Okay. This means no correlation. So by scatter diagrams, by visually itself, you can understand that there is positive correlation, negative correlation, or there is no correlation at all. Okay. That is the thing. Now only you are coming to the mathematical part. Pearson's correlation coefficient. This only is the sums that you are going to get. Okay. He was a biometrician and statistician. Okay. I have a friend in Coimbatore who is also a biometrician and statistician. He does statistics for medical work in CMC hospital, all that. He does statistical works. Okay. So that is used for measuring the magnitude of the linear relationship between two variables, say x and y. So there is a linear relationship between x and y. What is that relationship? Mathematically, how to calculate it? Okay, that is the most widely used method in practice. It is Pearson's coefficient of correlation. As I told you, it is represented by R. What is R equal to? Covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma y. Okay, you need not remember, because that is not how you are going to work it out.
Okay.
What is covariance of sigma x and covariance of x and y? That is only important. Okay, you first have 1 by n. Okay, x minus x bar into y minus y bar everywhere. Sigma I equal to 1 to I equal to n. X minus x bar, that means x of I, y of I. Okay, that is that. Then denominator you have sigma x and sigma y. Denominator you have sigma x and sigma y. What is sigma x? Xi minus x bar the whole squared by n, or by n, or yi minus y bar the whole squared by n. Okay, ரூட் இதுதான் சிக்மா எக்ஸ் சிக்மா ஒய் அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ இது ரெண்டும் போட்டு நீ கனெக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா what happens, you get 1 by n. See, this 1 by n is there. That 1 by n is on top. Okay, then there is 1 by n here and 1 by n here. Root of 1 by n into 1 by n is what? Root of 1 by n squared. Okay, when you take it out, it will become 1 by n. Up also 1 by n, bottom also 1 by n, cancel these two, you can take it away. So what will be the final formula? Final formula is very simple. That n and all is removed, all the n's are removed. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n, xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by sigma I is equal to 1 to n, xi minus x bar the whole squared, yi minus y bar the whole square. Okay, sigma yi minus y bar the whole square. This formula only you have to remember. How to derive it and all you don't need. Okay, this formula you have to remember. How to remember? Bottom what you are having, sigma I, sigma x and sigma y were there. Only the 1 by n and 1 by n are removed. The rest of it is retained. So xi minus x bar the whole square sigma is there into yi minus y bar the whole square. Okay, இதோடைய ரூட் அதோடைய ரூட் அவ்வளவுதான். Bottom is very easy to remember. Top you have to say xi minus x bar, yi minus y bar. Okay, whole of sigma. That is a new thing you have to remember. This never comes in the 10th standard or 9th standard. Numerator, okay. Denominator you can remember. Okay. Now, how you have to do the sum now? Okay. And what is the meaning of this? That's what I was trying to tell you. Correlation of coefficient lies between -1 and +1. Okay. So first, the value of R will always vary between -1 and +1. If you do some sum and R is coming more than 1, then means your calculation is wrong. Or your R is coming -1.2, for example. If your R is coming -1.2, then again your calculation is wrong. R will always take the value between -1 and +1. Okay. So what does it mean when R is +1? That means there is a perfect positive correlation between the variables. That's what it means. There is perfect positive correlation between the variables. That means if x increases, y increases at the same rate. If x decreases, y also decreases at the same rate. That's what it means by perfect positive correlation. X வந்து 3 ல இருந்து 4 ஆச்சுன்னா y வந்து 3 ல இருந்து 4 ஆகும். X வந்து 5 ல இருந்து 4 இறங்குச்சுன்னா y 5 ல இருந்து 4 இறங்கும். Okay, that is only perfect positive correlation between the variables. R is equal to -1 means there is perfect negative correlation. That means x increases from 4 to 5, y will decrease from 4 to 3. This one goes up by 1, this one will go down by 1. or x decreases from 3 to 2, goes down by -1, y will increase from 3 to 4. It will go up by +1. Okay, that is only perfect negative correlation between the variables. You understood?
Yeah.
Now there is one more thing I told you. When r equal to 0, what happens? R is +1 means perfect correlation. R is -1 means again perfect correlation, negatively opposite. Okay. When r is equal to 0, then there is no relationship with the variables. That is, they are uncorrelated. Okay. Thus, you find that coefficient of correlation is giving both the direction of the change, direction of the correlation, and the magnitude of the correlation. Okay. Suppose value is coming, let us say 0.04, r is equal to 0 plus 0. That means if x increases, y also increases, but very little. X increases by 1, y increases by 0.04. That's the meaning. You understand? Suppose r is equal to 0.97. That means if x increases by 1, then y increases by 0.97. That means there is a very thick coordination between the two. The two are very closely coordinated. You understand? Perfect coordination means r is equal to +1. That means x increases by 1, y also increases by 1. That is the idea. Huh? Same way, if r is -1, x increases by 1, y decreases by -1. But if r is equal to, say, let a minus 0.25, that means here x increases by 4, then y decreases by 1. This increases by 4, +4. Y decreases by -1. You understand? That is the meaning of r is equal to -25. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we have to take the deviations from the mean. You have already seen this formula. What is new is adding one step is, he's trying to simplify it. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole squared into xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar divided by xi minus x bar the whole squared, the root into root of yi minus y bar the whole squared, again root. Okay. Now he's telling that you can simplify it. Okay, how you can simplify it? Just to take another letter. Take one more step. Small x equal to xi minus x bar. Okay. Small y is equal to yi minus y bar. Like that, if you take, formula becomes very simple. Sigma xy divided by sigma x squared into sigma y squared. Root of sigma x squared into root of sigma y squared. That's all. So if you remember this, you can expand it. Sorry, how sigma xy divided by root of x squared into root of sigma y squared. You remember this formula, then from there you remember another one. X is equal to x of I minus x bar, y is equal to y of I minus y bar.
Okay.
That if you remember, then you can easily remember sigma xi divided by sigma xi x squared sigma y squared whole root. That's all. Formula becomes very easy to remember now. Top is xy, bottom is x squared y squared, sigma x squared sigma y squared. Top is sigma xy. That's all. Now, how to calculate now? What are the steps in doing the sums now? Doing the sums, how to do the steps is given. Okay. First, find out the mean of the two series, that is x bar and y bar. Okay. There will be given two series of data. x1, x2, x3, x4 up to xn they will give. Then y1, y2, y3 up to yn they will give. First step what you have to do is find x bar and y bar. Okay, otherwise you can't do anything. First you have to do find x bar and y bar. Okay, that means mean of the first series and mean of the second series you have to find. Once you find that, you can always say x is equal to xi minus x bar sigma, you can find out. Okay. Take the deviations of the two series from x bar and y bar. Okay. So first you find x bar, then you find y bar, then x will be tabulated 1, 2, 3. Suppose x bar was given as 4. Then find xi minus x bar. Okay, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 1 minus, this is 2 minus 2. 1 minus 3 minus, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. And suppose this is 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Like that, you have to calculate x minus x bar. And then sigma x minus x bar, you have to calculate. Okay. And sigma x minus x bar. Then you have to calculate same way for y. Then you have to calculate yi minus y dash. Yi minus y dash. Okay, like that you have to calculate. Y is lay 5, 6, 7. And y bar you found out is 6. Then 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. Like that you have to find y bar. Okay. So take the deviation of the two series from x bar and y bar respectively and denote it by x and y. Okay. This is capital Y, this is capital X. Then. And that is denoted by x and y. Then square the deviations. Okay. So minus 3 into 2, you get 9. Minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into minus 2, you get 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 0, like that. This becomes x squared. Okay. Then take sigma of that. That becomes sigma x squared. Same way for y you had minus 1, 0, 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 0 into 1, 1. Like that. This becomes y squared. This becomes x squared. This becomes y squared. So sigma y squared also you can get now. Now you have to substitute sigma x squared you got, sigma y squared you got. So you can substitute sigma x squared, sigma xy. The other one you have to multiply the deviations of x and y. Okay, this column y and this column x. 1 into 5, you get 5. Then 2 into 6, you get 2 into 6, 12. Then 3 into 7, you get 21. Okay, this becomes xy. Then you find sigma xy. Okay, you put on top. Sigma xy you put on top. Okay, how much? 21 plus 12, 31, 30, 33. 33 plus 5, 37. Sigma xy is equal to 37. Like that you have to do. Substitute in the values and you have to just find the use the formula. You will get the Pearson's correlation coefficient. Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, very straightforward sums. Only procedure you have to follow. Nothing creative, nothing to judge. Like when to use arithmetic mean, when to use geometric mean, when to use harmonic mean. Like that, no judgment and analysis you have to do. Okay, you just have to use the formula and find. Okay, only one thing. When you are using mean, the mean should be a integer, whole number you should get. When the mean is a whole number, you can use this method. When the mean is not a whole number, you have other methods. When the numbers are very small, you have another method. Or when the numbers are big, but your mean is not getting an integer, mean is not coming as 18 or 20, then you have another assumed mean method here also. Okay. First, let us calculate for this sum. We will do this sum. Example 9.1. Let us do example 9.1. Calculate Pearson's coefficient of correlation from following data. Okay, x is given. Then you have to find the first step x bar. How to find x bar? X is 6, 8, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24, 28, 31. Okay, so sigma x by n you have to find. That will only be mean. Okay, n is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is equal to 9. X is given this value. Okay, sigma x by n is equal to x bar. Now calculate sum of this. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42.
42.
4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 162. So 162 by 9. Okay, so how it will go? 6, 7, it will go in 3. It will go in 3. 5, 1, 4, it will go. So 3 will go on 54 divided by 3 again, simplify 1, 24, 18. So x bar is equal to 18. Mean is equal to x bar is equal to 18. Okay. Therefore, what you have to now find? Xi minus x bar. You have to now find one column. Okay. 6 minus 18 is minus 12. 8 minus 18 minus 10. 12 minus 18 is minus 6. 15 minus 18 is minus 3. 18 minus 18, 0. 20 minus 18, 2. 24 minus 18, 6. 28 minus 18, 10. 31 minus 18, 13. Okay. Now you got this. Now what you have to do? Sigma xi minus x bar. Fine. Okay. If you want, you can find that and keep. Not necessary. It's not necessary. Okay. It will always be 0. What you have to now find is, this is the square of this. This is x. Now you have to find x squared. What is the formula? Sigma xy divided by sigma x squared into the root into sigma y squared root, where x is equal to xi minus x bar and y is equal to y minus y bar. Okay. So xi minus x bar you got, you found out. Now you have to find out, this is x squared you have to find out. Minus 12 into minus 12 is equal to 144. Minus 10 into minus 10, 100. Minus 6 into minus 6, 36. This is 9. This is 0. This is 4. This is 36. This is 100. This is 169. Okay. Now you have to find that sigma x squared also. Okay. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 6, 34. 34 plus 4, 38. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 6, 13 plus 6 is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 598. Sigma x squared is 598. Now you have to do y. And you have to do the same things for y. Yi minus y bar you have to find. And then you have to find y minus y bar you have to find. What is the value of y? Y is 10. Then 12. 15.
And then 15
Another
also.
15. Then again 18. 25.
22. 22.
22. Then
26. 28.
28. Okay. Now sigma y you have to find. Sigma y divided by 9 will give you y bar. You have to find y bar. That is the mean y bar. Okay. So what you have to do? 8 plus 6, 14. 15, 16. 21. 21 plus 8, 29. Plus 5, 34. Plus 5, 39. Plus 2, 41. 41. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17. Anything is left? No. 171. 171 by 9 you are getting. 171 by 9. So how much is 171 by 9? Goes 3 times 3. In 15 it goes 5 times. In 21 7 times. Again 3 goes this one 119. Okay, so y bar is equal to 90. So y minus y bar you have to do now. I minus y bar. 10 minus 19 minus 9. 12 minus 19 minus 7. 15 minus 19 minus 4. Again minus 4. 18 minus 19 minus 1. This is plus 6. 22 minus 19 plus 3. 26 plus 7. 28 minus 19 plus 9. Okay. Y minus y bar we're getting. Now you have to do this is y. Now you have to get y squared. Y1 minus y bar the whole square. Now you have to get
81 uncle.
81. Then this one
49.
This one
16.
again
16. 1. 36.
Very good.
9.
Very good.
49.
Okay. Again
81.
very good. So you have to take now sigma y squared. Okay. Sigma y squared you have to take. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6, 25, 26. 26, 32, 38, 47, 48. 4 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16.
Uncle, 49, uncle. He calculated wrong, uncle.
No, it's the 48 only.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 1, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Yes, correct only, uncle. Correct only.
25 plus 8, 33. 338. Okay. Sigma y squared is 338. Now you have to sigma x into sigma y you have to calculate. Sorry, sigma xy you have to calculate. Xy. That is this value into this value you have to calculate. Minus 12 into minus 9 will be 12 into 9. 9, 18, 9. So this is 108. Minus 12 into minus 9. Again, minus 10 into minus 7. 70. Then minus 6 into minus 4. 36. And minus 3 into minus 4. 12. Minus 1 into 0. 0. 2. Minus 1 into 0. 2 into 6. 12. Then 6 into 3. 18. Then 10 into 7. 70. Then 13 into 9. 13 into 9. 27. 27. And 9, 11. 117. Okay. Once you get that is you do 431. Your book is telling. So it is correct. Sigma xy is correct. Now you have to substitute in formula sigma xy by sigma x squared root by sigma y squared root. Okay, that's what you have to do. R is equal to sigma xy is 431 divided by sigma x squared is how much? 171. Root of 171 into root of sigma y squared is equal to 338. Okay, 431 divided by what is the root of 171? Okay,
171.
how much is coming? No, 598 something is no. Sigma x squared is 598. Sigma x squared is 598, not 171. Sigma x squared 598. Root of 598, how much you have to find? You have calculator?
Yeah. Root of 598. 23.194 uncle.
23 point illappa varadhuva. Root of 598. Calculate root of 598.
Okay.
24.45.
Yeah, 24.45.
Root of 338.
18.38 uncle.
Okay. So we'll keep 18.38 means
39.
okay, let us keep it as left. Now 24.45 into 18.38 is equal to 449. 431 by 449. 431 divided by 449.4. That is equal to 0.959. And almost say is equal to 0.96. Okay. 0.959, 0.96. So correct. Okay. So this is how you should do the sum. I did the sum so that you can understand how you should do. Lot of calculation is there. Nothing else is there. No, only thing you should be very careful with the calculation.
Sure.
Okay. That is all there is to these sums. Nothing else in these sums.
Okay.
You have to make sure the procedure for the calculation is correctly done. Otherwise, there is nothing else to look out here. Okay. Now, there is another method now. When the values of x and y, if you are not going to get integer values for say your x bar and y bar, here you got integer values for x bar and y bar. How much you got? X bar was 18, y bar was 19. So arithmetic mean was 18 and 19, which is integers. So with integers, you can do the x bar minus x minus x bar calculation very easily. Okay. Suppose x bar is not coming as integer, then either you have to use assumed mean method, or if the data is very small. The data is small, 12, 9, 8, 10, like that. It is not 120, 140, 130 like that. No, 99 like that. It's not. So decimal data, very small data is there on both x and y. Then you can use another formula. This another formula only they are given here. Okay. This formula also you'll have to mark up very carefully and remember this. Nobody will tell you this formula in your exam.
Okay.
Now sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y. First you have to find sigma xy. N is given easily. For example, example 9.2, what is n? You have to 12, 9, 8, 10, 11, 13, 7. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. This capital N equal to 7. That is easy to find. Sigma xy you have to find. Then sigma x means I have to calculate all this 12 plus 9 plus 8 plus like that, and you're getting sigma x 70. Okay. Then that sigma x you have to put here also. Same way sigma y, everything you have to calculate plus. And you are getting sigma y 63. That will go into here in this place. Okay. So sigma x, sigma y will come in two places. One, it will come as sigma x itself and sigma y itself. Another, it will come as minus sigma x squared and it will come as sigma y the whole squared. Sigma x the whole squared, sigma y the whole squared. Okay. So two places sigma x will come. Remaining one place, n into sigma xy you have to find. Therefore, x into y, no, x into y all the time. So 12 into 14, 12 into 14 is equal to xy, 168. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 10 into 9 is equal to 90. 11 into 11, 121. 13 into 12, 156. 7 into 3, 21. Okay. So this sigma also you have to take, add all this. Once you add this sigma xy, you get 676. What do you get? 676 you're getting. Okay. Now add this, you get 70. Sigma x is 70. Sigma xy is 676. Sigma x is 70. Sigma y is 63. Here also 63 squared. Here also 70 squared. Minus minus. Then only one more thing. Sigma x squared and sigma y squared you have to find. X into x, 12 into 12, 144. Here, what you have? Okay, 9 into 12 into 12, 144 you are getting. 9 into 9, 81, sigma x squared. 8 into 8, 64 you are getting. 10 into 10, 100. 11 into 11, 121. 13 into 13, 169. 7 into 7, 49. You understood? So this is sigma x squared. Finally, find sigma. Add all this. We'll get 728 as sigma x squared. Okay. So this is 728. Now you have to find sigma y squared. Okay. So y into y is 14. 14 into 14, 196. 8 into 8, 64. 6 into 6, 36. 9 into 9, 81. 11 into 11, 121. 12 into 12, 144. 3 into 3, 9. Then you add all this, you will get 651. So this is becoming 651. Okay, now you just substitute in that formula. Okay, n is 7. 7 into 676. This is 676 already. This is 7. So 7 into 676 minus sigma x is 70. Sigma y is 63. So 70 into 63 minus 70 into 63. Okay, and that is our numerator. Denominator is what? Again, n into sigma x squared. Okay, n into sigma x squared. Sigma x squared is 728. 7 into 728. And sigma x was already 70. 70 the whole squared. That is 4900. Then 7 into sigma y squared now. 651 this is. 651. 7 into 651. Y squared was sigma y was 63. Sigma y the whole square 63 into 63. That's all. Now start calculating. Start calculating, very easy. Calculate that. 7 into 6, 676. Let us calculate. 7 into 676 will be
4,732.
how much? 4,000?
732.
4,732. Okay. Minus 70 into 63.
63, 4,410.
Minus 4,410. This is 22. This is 3. So numerator is 322. Correct. Okay. Then 7 into 728. How much that is?
5,096.
Okay. 5,096 minus 4,900. Root of. Into again root of 7 into 651. How much?
4,557.
63 squared minus 3969. 4557 minus 3969. 588. Okay, this becomes 588. 5,096 minus root of 588. 196. 196 will be 14 into root of 588. Root of 588 is 24.25. So 24.25 into 14 is equal to 339. 339.5 is equal to 339.5. So numerator is 322, denominator is 339.5. Now you have to divide 322 divided by 339.5. How much you are getting? 0.948. That is almost equal to 0.95. 948. So plus 0.95. That is what you have got. Okay, you understood this sum also. Okay, this all taking lot of time because of the calculation.
Yeah, uncle.
Okay, that's all. Otherwise, there is no confusion. You have to remember the formula, that only. First one formula you can easily remember because you have a shorthand. What is the shorthand? X is equal to xi minus x bar. Y is equal to yi minus y bar. You have to put. Then sigma xy by sigma x squared minus sigma y squared root of into sigma y squared. No, like that you can do that. So that formula is very easy. Where is that formula? Sigma x, this one, this formula. Sigma xy by sigma x squared to sigma y squared. That's all very easy formula, that one. Okay. Second one only slightly difficult. When first one is when you directly find the mean. Okay. Second one is you are not directly finding the mean, but the numbers are very small. Then you use the other formula. That other formula is slightly difficult. N into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n into sigma x squared minus sigma x the whole squared into root of n into sigma y squared minus sigma y the whole squared. That is slightly difficult. Okay, keep mugging till you get the correct answer.
Okay, uncle.
Denominator, everything is square. N into sigma x squared minus sigma x the whole squared into root of sigma y squared n into sigma y squared minus sigma y the whole squared. Okay. Denominator, everything is n into square, n into square. Numerator, n into sigma xy. Okay, minus sigma x into sigma y. Nothing is squared. Okay. Numerator, nothing is squared. You are only getting sigma xy and sigma x into sigma y. Okay. That is how you have to remember that.
Okay.
Denominator, everything is squared. N is n into squared. Numerator, n into xy and n and x sigma x into sigma y. Okay. Nothing is squared. Everything is singular. Sigma xy, sigma x into sigma y. Always x into y, x into y, like that it will come in numerator. First one will be sigma xy n into sigma xy. Second one will be sigma x into sigma y, like that. Okay. So you can remember this formula, because if you remember this formula, you can easily remember assumed mean formula, which we can do next class. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Already we have overshot our time.
Yeah.
The other one, big sum. We cannot do big sum now. Let us do that sum next class. And, we will do what other one, qualitative ranking, rank coefficient we will find. Rank coefficient. That fellow was, another fellow is given rank correlation coefficient.
Okay. We'll do this next class.
This is Pearson's coefficient of correlation.
Okay.
Rank correlation is very different. It is Spearman. This fellow is Pearson, that is Spearman. Okay. Thank you, boss. Good.
Okay. Next
so
we'll meet
we
on
are
Saturday.
not meeting Thursday. We are meeting Saturday 5 to 6. No confusion. Then Monday morning we are meeting. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Monday morning 9:30 to 10:30 we are meeting.
9:30 to 10:30. Okay. Sure.
You also remind, and we'll put it on the what do you call WhatsApp, so that we remember. Okay. Thank you,
Thanks, uncle. Good night.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Good.
Bye.